Nexis Uni is a valuable resource for topics in business, criminal justice, and political science. To use this database, begin on the library's article page and click the Nexis Uni link. Nexis Uni has several pathways to complete your research. First, you may enter your topic terms into the search box and click the magnifying glass button to execute the search. The second option is to complete a guided search. This is a simple search targeting a particular type of content. First, select the content type, then enter the topic you are looking for into the search box. Select any limiters you may want and click the search button. The final option is Discover Topic. This option is to browse and/or search information by category of business, criminal justice, or political science. Each page will present the current event from news outlets, legal cases, and company information. It will also give suggestions for the most searched topics for each prospective category. Once you execute a search, you will see a search results list. The number of results will display under the snapshot view. You may click on the links in the snapshot view to limit the type of content or to use any of the options available under the Narrow by heading. To view an article, click a title link from the main search result list in the center of the screen. After you select an article, the options for using the article are listed in the top left. You can print, email, download, or share. You can also create a citation by using the Export Citation button in the center of the page. To create a citation, select the citation style requested by your instructor from the drop-down menu. Then click the Copy to Clipboard button, then paste into your research document. If you need any further assistance using the Nexis Uni database, please contact your library staff.